Don't shout woo when you've got your GoPro in your mouth. Hello. It's been a while since I've done this. It's 2 minutes to 8 and I'm heading to Cafe Giro to meet Full Gas Stevie Mac, to head out for a gravel ride. And as you can probably see from all the leaves on the ground, it's definitely autumn now, so I've got my autumnal colours on. Here we go, Cafe Giro. 8:24, got time to get a coffee, haven't I?
Morning.
Hello, can I have a flat white, please? Always do a good flat white here. Very nice.
I like to look at that Croydon ride you did.
Oh yeah, yeah. Simon's joined us as well today. That's good news because 3 is great fun. Also means it's going to be a fast one. Yeah. Yeah. Morning. We're riding the reverse honeysuckle today. I think they're referring to honeysuckle bottom, which is good because that's normally a tough climb, so it'd be nice to come down that. Thank you. No. Yeah. Yeah. Pothole. Ooh. We often come down this descent and you have to keep an eye out for that pothole because it's a front wheel swallower and you're over the bars if you hit that. There they are. Oh, yeah. Done it. Oh, pedal strike.
You can go that way, but it's pretty
Sorry, Steve.
Right.
Oh, the tunnel. Yep. Kilometers. Nice route so far, lots of climbing, and don't seem to have my climbing legs on me today. Mind you, I've been chasing these two for 20k, so I think any reserve energy, that porridge has long gone.
Number 2.
Yeah. Technical climb. Look at those weirdos.
Its first birthday.
Yeah. Curve what? What? Is it just a curve? Is it a particular model?
GRX 4.
Right.
Kevin. Titanium.
What size you got on the back there?
Oh, that's like a 54 or something.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Not quite as smooth. Oh, not getting under there. .38.6.
That feels called the Vanderbilt.
Is it? Right, yeah.
It is now.
Yeah.
See where we are, shall we?
A nice,
You're lost.
a nice viewpoint. Or it would be if someone had trimmed those trees.
There.
So we're looking north then.
Canary Wharf is that way.
Right, I think we've done all the climbing now. 41k, and had an energy bar. needed to top up the reserves. As I said, had some porridge for breakfast, which normally lasts me, but not today. I mean, Z5, I think, the whole ride. Oh, tarmac, where's that come from? Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. I almost high-sided it there. Some nice trails around here, a bit more flat, which is always nice. Don't feel like I'm chasing them quite so hard. Coming into Ripley. Ah, talented Mr. Ripley. Oh, Mr. Ripley, I expect you to die. Oh, that's James Bond, isn't it? Every ride's got to have some champagne gravel, even in mid-October. So we're on the Way Navigation Canal now. You can't beat a weir, can you?
Right. I love it. It's great.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a weir. Because it says so on the sign. Across the golf course. And back to look at that. Yeah.
You've seen my handlebars, yeah?
Yes, I have, yes. Don't worry, Steve, we won't hold it against you. $56k and we're back on the river. That's the M25 that you can hear next to us.
For your dog?
60k. Oh, yeah.
Isn't that for your dog?
Oh, right, okay, yeah, cool. $61k. $63k. Yeah.
That's what the effort's all about.
Yeah, that's right. Right, 77k gone. Simon has dropped off at Walton and Steve at Esher. And yeah, what a great ride. Thanks Simon and Steve. I think they kind of combined to get the route, come up with the route. Slight change to the advertised route, but yeah, it was brilliant. Really enjoyed it. Some familiar trails, some new trails, which is always good. Right, 87 kilometres done, and that, my friends, is a wrap.